Hello students, we come to the part 2 of factorization. In the part 1, I have done the exercise 4.1 of ML Agrawal. Part 2, I am going to do exercise 4.2, which is by grouping of term. First one was taking out common factor, the HCF. I have done all the part 2 of the exercise. Part 1 you do. Same way here, 1 part 2, 2 part 2. All the part 2 I will do it for you because they are generally harder. Part 1 you try, do the solved example and see. So how we group, not a big concept. Let me do and teach you. So here we go. What we do here, you see these two generally we pair. Sometimes we have to change the order, which I will show you. While practicing you will see. So here take out y common, we get y minus z. Take out 5 common, it will be y minus z. See y minus, minus, so you go back and see, you will get this. Y square minus yz minus 5y minus plus 5z. Now you see this bracket has to be same, otherwise your grouping is wrong. So take out y, suppose this is apple, y apple minus 5 apple. Take the apple common, this comes out, y is left minus 5. Once more, this comes out, y is left, minus comes here and 5 comes here. So same way here, if you wish we can pair, like you see you could do like this pairing with this or better, you know 5 2s are 10, 8 2s are 16. So let us try that and see. 5p square minus 10p minus 8p cube plus 16 cube. Let us try that. So what we will get? 5p, so p minus 2. 5p we take out, p is left. 5 2s are 10, 10p. Here you take out minus 8 cube. What you are left with? You are left with p. And minus plus is there, so minus will be here 2. So see, same thing I get in bracket. Check back. 8p cube minus 8p cube minus plus 2 8s are 16 cube. So finally my answer is p minus 2 I take out, 5p is there, minus 8 cube. So this I take out, this minus, if plus is here, plus minus is there, you put minus, this is here. Next sum same way, let us pair. This you take out x square common, so you get this, nothing is there common, take 1. So what we get, x square plus 1, x square minus 3. This I write, you can write this also first and then this in bracket, but generally we write x minus 3 out, then x square plus 1. This is a logical order, but many times you can write like that. But this is more logical. Next, see here, we do pairing with this. What is common? 3a. What is left? X minus 2y. Check that. 3x minus 6ay. Here you take out minus out 4. What is common? B. We are left with. So here you see order 3, 6. This is 8. So we have to rearrange. So what you do here? Plus 4bx minus 8by. So here what we have done? We have changed the order. So what do we get? See children, 4b, what is left? X minus 2y. So here what we do, this I will come to the next step. Here I will write the same thing. I am not doing the grouping. 3ax minus 6ay. 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8. This is what I was telling you. This way it is much easier. You see and try. So through practice you will learn. 3ax, 3 common, and I told you a common. 3 common, a common, 3 you take out x minus 2y, plus 4b common, x minus 2y. So your answer is x minus 2y. This I take out, plus 3a plus 4b. Next one also, first you have to open this way, it will not be done pairing. 2ab minus ac plus 2bc. So let us try this 2 with 2. what happens, let us see. So I have taken this A with AC and this 2, 2. So generally you see this two same pattern, 3, 6, 8, 4, 8. 3, 6, 4, 8. Here what I did? 5, 10, 8, 16. So something like that, through practice you will learn. So what we get here? A minus C minus 2. Here what is common? B, A minus C. Check here, 2AB minus 2AB plus 2BC. So finally take out A minus C out. You are left with A minus 2B. So first 5 sum I have done. Pause and copy, then I'll try to do few more questions. So now we move on to question number 6. So like before, we open the bracket, this into this, plus x square y minus x cube. So see here, if I take y common, y minus x. If I take x square common, y minus x. So simply I have ordered the first two paired, grouped and the second two. Yx is common, so we get y plus x square. Here also children, there is nothing common between these two. See, only 2 is common. So let us try with this pairing if possible. Okay, 2a minus xa. Okay, and then minus 4b plus 2bx. So see, 2, 1, 4, 1, 4, 2. So let us see, 2 minus x minus 2b, 2 minus x. Let us check, minus 4b plus 2bx, 2a minus xa. So we take out 2 minus x. So next sum, same way, x square minus plus 2bx plus 2ab. See here, we take out x minus a. If you take 2b, x. So here, sign will be minus, children. So this will become minus, so this will also become minus. See nicely. X square minus xa, take out x common, x minus a. Minus 2bx plus 2ab minus 2b common. So once you see opposite, minus 2bx minus minus plus 2ab. So finally this bracket thing has to be same, otherwise you are doing in the wrong direction. So I take out x minus a and here I am left with x minus 2b. This I take out, x minus 2b is left. This question is quite interesting, boys. We do expansion. A plus b whole square, a minus b whole square. I think all of you know this. So we get something like this. If you see these two terms are same, they cancel. We get, you can pair, I think in two ways, this with this and this with this. So what we get, because these two have nothing in common. Here when I do pairing, they have x square in common, and if you do this one, a square y square plus b square y square. So see, they have x square common. So you need practice. Here you take out your a square plus b square is common. So try to see, copy and do. Little hard sum for you. A square plus b square, x square plus y square. I take out this, x square plus y square is left. And the last question for today, take 3xy out, x minus 1. When I've taken it out everything. So here you take out 12 common, x minus 1. Go back and check. 3x square y, this is square, minus 3xy plus 12x minus 12. This is common, children. So finally what we get, x minus 1, take out common, bracket 3xy plus 12. And one more thing here you see, this 3 is a factor, take out 3. What I am left with here, xy plus 4. Take out 3 here, xy plus 4 and x minus 1. If you miss this step, you will lose 1 mark. Generally they carry 3 marks. So I have done all for you nicely. You see it, pause the video, copy it, understand it, do it again 2-3 times, then do what I have not done from unsolved, and please solve the solved example also, so that you understand the full thing nicely. Thank you boys for watching.